Guys, we're on a big red day. We're back at it. Not good news. All right, so our overall portfolio is down 6%, guys. It's down 6%, and the Fed kind of spoke yesterday, guys, and they brought the market down. Yesterday was a big red day. It's been a big red. It's been in the red for the past 2 days, really bad. Things are tanking. It's been 3 days, really. What happened is now the Fed is announcing that there's probably going to be 0.5 interest rate hikes, and maybe several of them. So they turn more hawkish. And stocks, guys, are pricing it in. Now, what I want to talk about is Twitter and Dogecoin compared to other stocks. I would like to make a little comparison compared to other stocks. So if we look, everything's down, guys. Everything's down, but everything's down in the same trend that it was following with the past month. So DraftKings is now currently trading at 16.69. Robinhood is at 11.7. Tanked another 6% today. It hit 16 a week ago. It was at 16 a week ago, 16.5 on the 29th. So things have really crashed. Now, all the companies are following kind of the same thing. Couple things have happened, guys. Tilray, guys, got some really good news with potentially the federal government trying to legalize weed. And then on top of that, they had their earnings come out yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yesterday morning. Earnings were pretty good. So I decided, it actually jumped back another 5% yesterday, but what I noticed is all the other cannabis stock tanked just like the rest of the market. So I sold, guys, yesterday, some Tilray stocks. I sold about $800. I sold half of my position pretty much at $742. And I'm really glad that I did, because look, we're now trading at $649. So I don't know if I'm going to put it back in today or if I'm going to wait for a bigger dip, because I still think that Tilray hasn't really priced in what the rest of the market did. Like that these couple big red days. So I think Tilray could go into lower 6, and I think it could hit the lower 6 really. Now let's look at real quick, guys, Twitter and Dogecoin. So Twitter is going down, but as you guys can see, I'm in the profit on Twitter, $61, and it's still trading at $47. Now, why is Twitter, guys, still so much up? Because of Elon Musk. Elon Musk now owns 9% of the company. He made it jump to $51 when he officially announced that he owned 9% of the company, but it was bought on March 14th. He bought at the very bottom. He bought here at $32. So he's good. He's still about at $1 billion in profit, about. But what I'm thinking is that Twitter is going to resist a little more. And hopefully, guys, he's going to bring Dogecoin back up where it needs to be compared to Bitcoin. And that's kind of what I want to talk about today. I want to make a correlation between Twitter and other stocks, and then Dogecoin to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you see how much Twitter is resistant, we kind of see the same thing happening a little bit with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin hit that spike at 17.9. Guys, I sold some at 17 cents, and I kind of wish that I sold more, but I did sell some. When I did that video that day, which the video did great, by the way, I sold $500. I sold $500 at 17 cents, guys, on April 5th. And ever since, guys, it's been tanking, which was kind of what I was expecting. It's been tanking. But it seems to be hitting a resistance at 14 cents. So it hit 14 cents, guys, right here, 14. And it came back up to 14.8 and then down to 14 cents again. But you see now we're at 14.3. So there seems to be a really good resistance of 14 cents. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin has crashed the past 2-3 days. It's now trading at 43,000. But let's look, guys, at 43,000 3 months ago, when we were trading at about this price. Let's March 20, even March 23rd. March 23rd, you see 43,000. Let's look at where Dogecoin was on March 23rd, guys. Dogecoin on March 23rd, where is it? We were trading at 13 cents on the high and 12 cents. So when Bitcoin was around 43,000, Dogecoin was around 12 to 13 cents. Well, now we're at 14.3. So what I think is going on, guys, is Elon Musk getting into Twitter. He's getting everyone back on Dogecoin, kinda, and it's rebalancing Dogecoin compared to other cryptocurrencies, which is really good because I'm still holding $5,000 worth of Dogecoin. So, as you guys see, I have about $2,000 of buying power right now that I could put in. And what I've been waiting for, guys, I've had this money for a couple days. I'm waiting for a bigger tank. I'm waiting for things to just keep tanking. I think we're almost at the bottom, guys. I really think that we're almost at the bottom. I think that the bad news that came from the Fed has been priced in at this point. I think it is priced in. I think no matter what, if you go kind of long term, not short term, you can't go wrong with stocks being at this price right now. But I still think that it could dip a little bit deeper, and if it does, that's some easy profit to make, guys, when it's gonna bounce back up. So let's keep this fairly short. You guys need to do your part. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll make more videos. I'll try to do another update tomorrow. And wow, man, hang in there, guys. It is what it is, but I think the market at this point has priced in the bad news. I don't think things will get a lot worse. I really don't think so. And now what we need to see is the real estate market crash down, because this is nonsense. Anyways, I'm out. That's for another video. I'm out. Have an awesome day, guys. Booyah.